Let's take a look at an example. What is the coefficient of x to the power 4 in the expansion of 1 plus x squared plus x cubed whole to the power n? I can express this expression as 1 plus x squared 1 plus x whole to the power n, which can be further written as 1 plus x whole to the power n multiplied by 1 plus x squared whole to the power n. Let's call this term 1 and this term as term 2. Now my objective is to find the coefficient of x to the power 4. I can get x to the power 4 in the multiplication of term 1 and term 2 in the following cases. One case would be when term 1 yields a 0 power of x while term 2 yields power of x corresponding to 4. In that case, the total power would be 4. Or I get 1 power of x from term 1 and 3 from term 2. Similarly 2 and 2, 3 and 1, and 4 and 0. Now since term 2 has x square in its expansion, hence all the terms would have even powers of x, which would be multiples of 2. So this case and this case is ruled out, as I cannot get a power of 3 or a power of 1 in any of the terms in the expansion of 1 plus x square. Now for the first case where term 1 yields 0 power of x and term 2 yields 4 power of x, the coefficient would be nc0 multiplied by nc2. nc2 because the second term would have x square raised to the power 2, which would yield x to the power 4. In this case, I would have the coefficient as nc2 multiplied by nc1. In this case, it would be nc4 multiplied by nc0. Therefore, the coefficient of x4 would be the sum of these three cases, which would be nc2 plus nc1 multiplied by nc2 plus nc4. And this is my final answer.